day, yeah. Late nights grinding, stomach touching ribs. Dreams bigger than the place we live. Street code taught me risk and reward. Now I calculate entries like war.
What's up? So it's another day. It's another day. We're trading. No hala. Just watching the markets, man. And we open the markets in the next 8 minutes, right? It's 9:22 New York time, AM obviously. And today we don't have really a complex bias. We just want 2R, right? We just want 2R. And somewhere around this area, or this area, might be somewhere good to take some profits, even if it's 1.45R, right? As long as it's something that we can work with, right? No, hakuna pesa nyingi na kidogo, my G's. That's what I've come to understand. Yeah. So this is my analysis, right here. This magnetic area, let me zoom these areas. These areas, then taka market kuje. I want the markets to come around this area. You can see these two areas, this low and this low. Another reason why I want that to happen is because, looking on the past 3 days, where is liquidity? We can see clearly liquidity is somewhere around these lows. We are inside this range that we created around yesterday and the day before yesterday. I have to take a Fibonacci here. Put up a Fibonacci here. You can see clearly, this is exactly 50% of that range. It's also the equilibrium, right? So during the 9:30 equities open, I'd love to see price come around this area. Then let's put an arrow illustration over here. Let's use this path. So I'd want to see this type of scenario coming down, and let's say around that area. That's something that's logical to anticipate. I'd love to see it come up to this area, this, but we know with Nasdaq these days anything is possible, right? So even if we get 1:1.5R, that's still some good thing. Understanding how the markets are operating right now. So without hesitation, I'll anticipate for some upward manipulation before we start going down. Yeah, that's good. That's what I'd love to see. If I was the market maker, that's how I'd do that thing. Okay. I hope they don't do that before the news. I hope they wait for the news to come, not the news, the open, before they do that. Let's go to the lower time frame. We'll use the lower time frame to execute. Yeah, this is a type of scenario that I'd love to see. Now let's wait for the market as we listen to the music as usual, brah.
Yeah. From the mud to the market, from the block to the brokers. Let's go. Yeah. Came from the streets, now we compound profits. Flipped every loss, now the bankroll monstrous. From hustling packs to analyzing charts, NASDAQ tearing every session apart. Yeah, we level up, never going back. Turn pain to percentages, that's a fact. From the block we rose, now the candles obey. Crushing NASDAQ every day, yeah. Late nights grinding, stomach touching ribs. Dreams bigger than the place we live. Street code taught me risk and reward. Now I calculate entries like war. Started with pennies, mindset heavy. Stack small wins, now the growth steady. No more sirens, just alerts on the phone. Trade executed, yeah we in the zone. Used to flip hustle just to maintain. Now flip pips, multiply the gain. Street survivor with a trader's brain. Turn discipline into champagne. Came from the streets, now we compound profits. Flipped every loss, now the bankroll monstrous. From hustling packs to analyzing charts, NASDAQ tearing every session apart. Yeah, we level up, never going back. Turn pain to percentages, that's a fact. From the block we rose, now the candles obey. Crushing you every day, yeah, every day. Every day, yeah. Risk management, that's survival instinct. Cut losses fast, let the winners link. Compounding heavy, that exponential climb. 1% daily, give it time, no shortcuts. We built this slow, from concrete floors to the trading glow. Mindset shift, that's generational wealth. Invested in knowledge, invested in self. Now the squad eating different screens, glowing future vivid. From street hustle to financial freedom, master market, now we lead them. It was dark nights, cold roads. Now it's green candles overload. Financial play, NASDAQ bow, we run the day. From the block we rose, yeah we made a way. Street to success every single day. NASDAQ, yeah NASDAQ.
Yeah, 4 minutes to the news. It's 4 minutes to the news. So what we'll be doing, we're just waiting to see what the market will do. Yeah, we got it open. Yeah, let's see what they want to do. Yeah. Hope we get to that the risk zone. Yeah, let's push and see what we're doing. Yeah, we just go to the risk area. My account hasn't yet loaded, but what? Yeah, thank God. So we'll risk 0.02 for NASDAQ. Yeah, I'm risking from there. If they kill us, they kill us, bruh. If they kill us, they kill us. So that's yo. let's see my stop loss. Stop loss is the first thing that I love putting. So that's good. 296 is, I can work with 296. and target around $600. If they kill us, they kill us, bro. $600. 280 plus 280, that's 560, 576. So that's all right. I'm risking 1%. Actually, 1%. I'm risking around 0.5%. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to see them now start tanking. Yeah, I want to see them tanking up to this area here. Yeah, this area. If they keep shooting up, we are blown, bro. We are really blown. But I hope they tank from there. Most people will ask me like, yo bro, like why do you have a 50k account but you're risking like only $300? And I'm like, yo, it's been a minute. Like I tried risking so much starting, and the end game or the end result, they were not cool, bro. They were not cool. So I decided to be risking like 0.5 when starting, I mean. Okay, so with time, once you see like some gradual improvement in your curve, in your curve when you're trading that account, you can, let's say, increase up to like 1%, right? But before that, you start risking by 0.5. Then once you get, let's say, a loss, you drop to like risking 0.25 per trade. Okay. Yo man, I think today we are getting a quick L, man. It's looking like it's coming to it's looking like it's coming to our stop loss, but I still believe in my entry. I won't judge it so harshly and faster. So I'll keep trusting on it and I'll wait for it to play out. If it doesn't, well and good. If it does play out, it's alright. Yo bro, like why are you going like that fast to my like SL? Like that's how you should be going to my TPs. Yeah, it's alright, keep going. We like we almost yo. So we have this first presented fair value gap over here. Let's check the 1 minute. Yeah, this is our first presented fair value gap down here. Yeah, I'm talking about yeah, this is our first presented fair value gap, and man, they just shot up, man. Like I wouldn't say there's no sign of going down, because it's not once I've seen them like starting on a high note then dropping. Okay, so I just stick to my guns and wait for them to do what they want to do. Okay, if it's an L, we take it with grace, bro. Yo, You need to start like dropping, bro. You need to start like dropping down already, bro. Like what the hell? I'm drinking water just to cool my engines, bro. You know, they say with experience this thing becomes easy, but I think these people lie too much, man. I think they lie too much. Yeah, let's keep going. Like whatever happens, the SL, the TP, whatever happens, we accept it, man. So I'm anticipating for price to react around that area, because that's a inverted fair value gap, that gray area that you see passing through my RR area. Anticipate for it to like react off that area and not to like go to my SL. Like my SL is above is slightly above that area, so I'm still waiting. No rush, no revenge trading. Once they hit us, we accept it. Like, so today, this week, I've taken like two trades. Most of them were break even. We got to like 1R, then came back to my entry. Yesterday we didn't take a trade, and today we took this. This is the third trade for the week, man. So we just hope for the best. We've already done our part. The rest is for the market to do whatever it wants now, because we can't control the market. And I know you all know that we can't control the market. The only thing we can do is just trade it, man. That's the only thing we can do. Yeah, I hope I hope this is the sell-off. Like, yo, calm down, please, man. Like, calm down. You need to calm down already. But what the fuck? Yeah, I hope you start now, like going down from there. Like, yeah, I can see we're starting to go down. But you know, sometimes it reacts of that inverted fair value gap. You can see it like react of that fair value gap and inverted fair value gap and start going up. It's not one time we've seen that type of a thing happen. But I still be positive and wait for price to like keep going down. Let's check if we have some news coming around this time. Yeah. So we don't have any news. Like, the only news we had, it was like 8:30 a.m. and that's enough for like, yo, looking at my 3 minutes time frame, man, I think we can react off this fair value gap, then start going up. Yo, this is messy, but we still stick to the guns, bruh. We still stick to that. The 5 minutes we have a fair value gap again. Like, god damn it. Alright. So I don't think I'll be closing this trade, even if the market's telling me that we might even try to go up. But yeah, I don't think I should close this trade because of one thing. Like, we've taken out these highs, like these Friday's high and also Monday's high. We've been buying for a minute. You can see, like, we've been buying. All this is just for me it looks like what do we call it, we are in a premium already. Okay, we've like filled this docket here, these two pockets of liquidity voids. So I think I'll stick to my sells. Okay, even if it's giving the signs of buying for a while, I'll stick to my sells. Whatever happens, man. Like, that's what we signed up for. We signed up for that, and I'm always aiming for 2R. Okay, so if we take these highs, these two highs, it's all right, because we have these two equal highs over here. We have these two equal highs. You can see them. These are possibility, man. These are possibility. We can take these. We can take these out. Considering tomorrow is NFP, so that's a possibility. But I'm still on my sells, bruh. Like, yeah, I'm still on my sells, because that's what you're supposed to do. I don't think you're supposed to like switch sides. Like, yeah, we're about to sell. Nah, I don't think that's a wise thing to do. So we'll still watch it and wait for the market to do what it does, either in a sell or a TP. The best thing is that we've managed our risk. Okay, we have our risk managed. So that's the best thing. I think the important thing that as a trader you should learn, or what I've learned as a trader, is managing risk and avoiding like those one kill, like one big kills. Okay, those one big kills, they are good, but over time you get addicted to those, and I guess the addiction causes us to revenge trade. So I'll stick to these low hanging fruits. The 2R trades. Sometimes they come to my entry. Sometimes I can be like 1 hour up, then they'll come back to my break even, because once my trade gets to 1% profit, like bro, I really don't play with them. Like I close them immediately. I'm not closing them, I move my stop loss to break even. If I didn't do that, like I'd be up like 2%, like a percent, 1.5% up this week, if I was not moving my SL to break even. But I think we should stick to like our rules. If my rule says I'm hunting for 2R, they should be strictly that, and I think I'll be doing that. Yeah, that's what I've been doing, and I think I'll keep doing that. Even if this fair value gap here, I'm hoping for it to fail, but that's just hoping. The market will do whatever it wants. Let's mark it gray or blackish so that we can see it clearly. So I don't want to see this scenario where like we dip into this fair value gap, then we go up for these like liquidity pools over here. Like I don't want that, since we've already taken this high. Okay, we took this high here. Let's mark it well. We took this high over here. You can see it clearly. We took this high, then we came with this high here. Like we missed this high by a bit, right? So I don't think we have any business over here. Again, that's a confluence also coupled with the fact that we've raided this high over here. These highs, Friday's highs and Monday's high. So I don't think this fair value gap should work. Okay, so I'm anticipating for this fair value gap to be an inverted fair value gap in the next few minutes, and perhaps maybe what can happen next is like we can break below it, then retest it, then dump it to this equilibrium level. This is our equilibrium, and this equilibrium is created by yesterday's range. Okay, and we have a low here too, a low that can this one can cause the market to react. Okay, yeah. So Mr. FVG, don't work, like literally don't work. I don't want that FVG to work. Like I want it to like fail so that I can use it as an IFVG towards the lows. Yeah, that's just my wish, but the market will always do whatever it wants, man. So the biggest thing that I can do is just watching, nothing else, just watching. Yeah, I don't know why when I'm trading, like I feel this heat over my body. It's not like it's fear, but I just feel like I should drink more water. Yeah, Mr. FVG, don't work, please. I know the algo does whatever it wants, but please don't work. Today I don't want to see that fair value gap working, but if I was bullish, I'd be using that fair value gap to hunt those highs. Okay. Again, since today is an NFP day, we are not supposed to be like being so what do we call it? Being so I mean having so huge positions. I think during these times we should be having like nimble positions or small positions. we should not be going like guns blazing. Okay, so my 0.5 is not a big position, but it doesn't mean that I want a loss. It just means that during NFP weeks we have like 50-50 probabilities, and we can see all both sides of the trade, mostly Thursdays. Okay, if it's NFP week and you're trading on a Thursday, I don't think that you should be so hard on the markets, okay, because it can do whatever it wants. Because under this scenario we can go for the highs and there's nothing we can do, okay. But my analysis is telling me that we should go for the lows, and that's why I took my sells. Let me show you. It's not like I'm bluffing. Like, I took my sells, like, and you can see we are like 158. We have a loss of $158, 160 at the moment. That's why I took that shot, because I believe like we should be going down. Yeah, let's go back to the charts. But I think this fair value gap might work, or it might fail. Like, we don't know. Because I see we are respecting this IFVG. There's no candle that's closing above the consequent encroachment of this inverted fair value gap. So I'm betting on the market to like react and give us some tanking down, and if it happens, it's all right. I'll show you the results now. Like, you are not hiding anything. Like, whatever happens, bro. Yeah, bro. Like, even if I'm saying that, I don't really want to see you buying. I want to see you tanking. Like, yo, like, you should be like reversing at the moment. Yeah, but no matter what happens, we stay chilled. Yo, but at least we've stayed a little bit longer, even if they hit us. Let's go to the 1 minute and see if we react off that high. So we've taken this high in the 1 minute chart, slightly, yeah, but it still counts. Let's mark it black. That's what I'd love to see. Like, yeah, we've already taken the high, right? And it's a high that it was created during after 9:30. Okay, so I'd love to see it like tank from there, or maybe run to my SL. Whatever happens, we hug it and we keep going, because yeah, that's part of trading, bro. Yeah, let's watch and see what happens. The best thing, like I said, is managing risk. Managing risk is one of the best things that you can do as a trader, because I believe that's the main thing that you have control over. You don't really have control over many things. Like, once you execute and you press that buy or sell button, there's nothing else that you can do, okay? Just managing the risk, okay? So we'll keep watching and seeing what happens. We're still painting these bullish fair value gaps here. You can see we are reacting off that fair value gap over there. Yeah, we are reacting off that fair value gap, but I still stick with my bearish scenario, right? I'm still with my bearish bias, despite it being before NFP. Tomorrow is NFP, guys, so yeah, these are the type of things that we can expect, the 50-50 scenarios. Yeah, I think we're about to hit that SL, bruh. Like, yo, let's maximize this chart. I think we're about to hit that SL, and I don't revenge trade, by the way. If I get this loss, I don't revenge trade. If I get like my break even, I don't revenge trade too. Whatever I get, like, I'm always satisfied with whatever I get, bro. And I think today we are not going today atuponei bana, like, but yeah, these things do happen. We can come close to the SL and we can reverse to the TP. I've seen these things many times. Yeah, but I hope this black candle fails. If it doesn't, it will support the buyers to go up. Like, so I'm hoping for this up close, down close candle to fail, so that we can use it as a order block. If you understand like the use of these candles and how they operate. So if we can get that candle to reject that, we get an SL hit. But if it violates it to the downside and closes below it, yeah, we're on the safe side. And that's what I'm betting on. Like, I really want that order block to fail. Like, if it closes below this area, let's mark it. Let's increase the opacity. Yeah, let's increase the opacity. Yeah, that's alright. Yo, bro, like, come on, like, I don't want you to work. Yeah, like, I want that area to reject price, like, not to reject, like, I want it to be violated to the downwards. I want price to go below that order block, because many people are seeing it like a bullish order block, and I don't want to like for it to work. Okay, I want it to be violated to the downside, so that we can keep going down, because I don't see any reason to be buying. But that doesn't mean it can't buy. Nah, it can buy, because I'm not the market. The market the market is owned by whoever owns it. Okay, so I'll keep waiting. You can see we are forming some indecisive candle over here. We have some indecisive candle, like they don't want to go up for my SL. I hope that's what they are thinking. I really hope that's it. Okay, but whatever they're thinking, man, yeah, the best part is that you keep showing up, right? So I think that order block might work after all. Or whatever happens, bro. Yeah. Right now we're almost like 3/4 of our SL. I'm sure we are around minus $200 in this account. Minus 300, yeah. All right. Now, okay, but sweep that liquidity then, like just sweep my SL if that's what you want, bro. Or then you should tank if you're not sweeping my SL. Okay. I hope this is you like tanking now, bro. I hope this is you tanking. But this order block might be a little bit obstructing price to tank. But I'm hoping it just let loose, man. Like, just let loose and start tanking down. We can even get that macro, like the 950 macro to 1010 macro tanking. But if it doesn't offer that, like, we are ready to be there is sacrificial ramp, man, there. Cause we are so close to our SL. My SL is up here, like, and you can see it's around, like, it's really close, like it's really close. But it's alright, whatever happens, man. No revenge trading. That's the first rule of business, man. There's no revenge trading. Whatever happens. We stick to the rules, man. Yeah. Oh yeah. Do we get an SL hit or do we get TP? Hey, today, like on a scale of 1 to 10, like, yo, I think my SL is getting hit today, like, bruv, like, yeah, I don't think today I'm like, yeah, I know things happen, but yo, this is so close, bruh. Like, this is so close. Considering we have some highs above that, yo, this is so close. Okay, now sweep that liquid, sweep that L, man. You gotta sweep it then. Yo, like, damn, man, like, yo, I don't think today we like surviving this, but yeah, you never know. Like, it's still early, like, still got hope. Like, yo, my hope are diminishing at the moment now, man. Yo, like, yo, there's no going away from this loss today. Like, okay, hit that SL, then yo, I just get stopped out, man. Like, god damn it. Yo, that's it, man, for today. Like, we just got liquidated and I just got my SL hit, man. Like, that's a 0.5 R loss, man. Yo. It's alright, that's part of the game. So I guess this liquidity, the top liquidity, the upward liquidity, the buy side liquidities, that's the main target for today. I don't think this inverted fair value gap was valid. It wasn't valid at all, right? So let's review it. Let's review it like right now. So we took these in intraday liquidities, and then after we took this intraday liquidity, the market gave us some bullish fair value gap, and bang, we shot upwards towards these equal lows. Okay, so I guess that's it for today, man. And let's check let's see how we're performing, like, into this prop firm. Let's look at the stats. Bruh. So I don't think they've loaded it. Let's reload. But for that day, I'm sure, like, we have a 280 loss. Okay, yeah, so we are down, like, we are down 230 into this 50,000 prop account. And I'll see you tomorrow, my guys. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, man, same time. So today we've got it wrong, and it's not wrong to get it wrong sometimes, bruh. It's just the way of the markets. Until tomorrow, bruh.